On today's episode of Overpriced Foundations That Might Actually Be Worth It, we have the Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue 1N2 Ecru. I just can't believe the prices of foundations these days. I don't know if I'm maturing. I'm just like, I'm gonna put my foot down. We can't keep paying these prices. This is $73. It was actually gifted to me from a neighbor. So that's why the color doesn't match. It's so hard to find your foundation swatch. We need more Estee Lauder swatches on the internet. If that's one thing we need. When I swatch it on my hand, you're gonna see it covers up my green veins. Has such a beautiful finish. It lasts a pretty long time. I wouldn't say it lasts 12 hours, but it is sweat resistant. This has a rosy or peach undertone. I was able to color correct it with green until I got too dark. So I can't use it right now. I'm gonna swatch it on my face regardless. You think that it's gonna be more like a tinted moisturizer type of vibe, but coverage is incredible. It's very liquidy. Instant mess, no matter how careful you are. So I don't like the whole setup that we have going on here. The skincare that's in this also does leave you with a glow after you remove your makeup. Very strong SPF scent as well. That might bother you if you have a sensitive nose. It's really strong. Doesn't cause me to break out, doesn't give me dermatitis. I've been reacting to sunscreens lately, so that was a gamble that I took and it paid off. It's a great foundation. Worth like 50 bucks, not 73. That wraps up this video on the Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue Foundation in the shade 1N2 Ecru. Like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, check out my other channel, and I'll see you at the next one.